Welcome to CanvasX 2020. This overview video walks you through our welcome file that comes with CanvasX. You can follow along and edit this same interactive file right in your application. Canvas lets you work with any type of graphic in one application. There's no need to switch between different applications based on file type. In one place, you can create amazing graphics and visualizations with both images and vector objects. Notice, this image on the left is a rasterized image, meaning that it's made of pixels. On the right, this is a vector object with sharp edges and adjustable points. The CanvasX interface puts tools at your fingertips with settings and functionality to suit your specific workflows, and we just want to save you time. First, this is the layout area. This is where you create your fantastic graphics and illustrations. We refer to all elements in your document as objects. The toolbox has all of the CanvasX tools for creating and editing. The menu bar along the top contains all of the CanvasX functions. The toolbar contains all common actions like copy, paste, and print. The properties bar updates based on the tool you have selected. Notice, the Canvas Assistant updates as well based on what you have selected to help you along with what you're doing. Along the bottom is the status bar, showing details about the object you have selected and the pages of your document. We call all the small windows in CanvasX palettes. They're available in Window, Palettes. On the top is the docking bar where you can keep frequently used palettes for quick retrieval. Notice, you can tear off any palette you want to keep in view by dragging it away from the docking pane. Also, you can put away any palette to bring it back easily. The docking pane on the right has some of the more common palettes that can also be torn away. There are 3 states for selected objects in Canvas. Right now, nothing is selected. If I click on this circle, it becomes selected. When selected, you can change its properties in the Properties bar. Click somewhere else or press Escape to deselect. If I double-click an object, now I'm editing that object. You can tell from the pen in the top left. In Edit mode, I can modify the object. Double-click somewhere else or press Escape to go back to selected state. And again, to deselect completely. Ordering the objects in view is done by selecting your object and clicking Shuffle Up or Shuffle Down. I'll open the Document Layout palette so we can see what's happening in this order. Alignment lets you align your objects as you like. First, I'll click each of these objects while holding Shift. Alternatively, I can draw a selection rectangle around these 3 objects. Using alignment tools, you can align your objects. First, I'll try aligning center vertically. I'll undo that. And I'll try aligning center horizontally. Notice that the orange object that I selected first has black indicators on its selection. That means that all the alignment commands are with respect to that object. Please try this out. Text in Canvas is very simple. First, select the text tool, set some properties, draw a rectangle for your text, and just start typing. You can always select your object and adjust styling and attributes of your text in the Properties bar. Spell checking is built in. Just right-click on red underlined words and choose the correct spelling. Copying and pasting attributes lets you select and copy the styling you want. I'll choose Edit, Copy. And now I'll select a new object and choose Edit, Paste Attributes to paste that style. I'll copy over the text style and the dynamic effect, which is a drop shadow. This concept of pasting attributes can be applied to any object for copying and pasting anything. This picture on the right has another picture below it. I'll select this top image, I'll change the opacity, and I'll add an adjustment with some higher contrast. Try this out yourself. In the bottom, Let's try adjusting the levels of this great portrait to match the one on the right. Select it and choose Image, Adjust, Levels. This photo doesn't have any true blacks and just a few whites, so I'm going to change the starting black point by dragging it to the right, and I'll set a new white point by dragging that to the left. Add images to your documents by simply dragging and dropping them into Canvas, or choose File, Place to navigate to your file. Add links to websites from your documents with the Link Manager, available in Window, Palettes, Link Manager. Select an object and type in your link. These links work in Canvas files, Output web files, and more. Thank you for letting me show you CanvasX, and if you need any more information, use the Hyperlink tool and use these links here. Thanks.